Hi Corda, so enough big make Lart live mar shaol Vilo Gaiber a tree, ma Scoil agus Saol na Scoile. Now tá sé seo cuid a híon as cuid a dó so big gá fhíseán bunaithe an ábhar seo. Na topicí a clúdóig mé nómh. So an sort scoile atá intí, líon an altaí is na múntúirí atá intí, na hábhar atá ar fáil, na hábhar atá an dhéanamh agat féin, an tábhar is fearr leat agus an fá, éon ábhar nach má leat agus an fá, na háisina agus rialacha na scoile. So first of all, Scoil. Scoil is a feminine noun. Therefore, when you're talking about it, you will refer to it as a female, so inti. Atá inti, and I've that mentioned twice there, and you can see that. Na hábhar, okay, and you're referring to na before a noun in the iver ulra, so over, you can see the I there. When you're relating to, you put a H, isteach an sin os cór nathanna machal, na hábhar atá ar fáil, tá sé stig an faoi go. The néanamh, that relates to that are currently being done by you. Okay, na hábhar atá néanamh, it is there's plural, so there's an RO being put in, néanamh, and they are being done by you I láthair na húra at the minute. An tábhar is fearr leat agus an fá. An tábhar, why is it an tábhar? Ábhar is fearnscanach, and therefore takes a tí fleiscín os a chóir. In ábhar nach má leat agus an fá. Na háisina again, and here we see na Scoile. That is an example of the tishil gnadach isteach an sin chuma rialacha na Scoile. Okay, so leishin san orah bhrach mé raig. So cad is anam dan Scoil, what is the name of the school? So cibe anam atá the Scoil agus déanaíocht is dói an animachal a Scoile all, so anam na Scoile a Scoile all más féidir. Cén sort Scoile what type of school is it? So Scoil bhráthra Christy, Scoil Phobal, Cláiste Pobal, Scoil Phobal, tá ó go bhfuil isceil tá C's in asna van sin, so there's Scoil Credivach, Scoil Vascathe, so just be cuairmach mé áil ar míle trú an sin tá brónam níacha mé é sin nuair a bhíos ag scríomh an na sleán an sin amach. Cévé dalta atá the Scoil. So this is really important. Any number that is divisible by 10, you use the iver uha leis. So again, I'll repeat that again. A number that is divisible by 10, so there's no remainders. So here we see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So they're divisible by 10, or they're multiples of 10. You only use the noun in the iver ulra, in the iver uha. So dalta, for example, you don't say dalti. Tá timpeall hartar. If you're not entirely sure, that's a nice way of saying approximately. Dalta sa Scoil. So I would always stick with sé chéad dalta nu sé chéad seasca dalta nu cibé rud nu míle dalta ag leanúnt raig. Cévid múntúir atá sa Scoil. Again, you can flick back to the last slide to get a number of teachers, and again, if you're not sure, the same phrase stays there as well. Adam dig na hábhar atá ar fáil sa Scoil, so name the subjects available in the school. So múntar tá rawa va ábhar. Rawa is bunaithe, and therefore ma will take a H. Tá rawa va ábhar. Tá rawa va ábhar sa Scoil idir ábhar frachticúla agus ábhar achadúla. Practical subjects and academic subjects. So tá sé sin glas le rá orteist tradiisiúnta, chlár garama na orteist méireachta agus an orteist aimach atá ar fáil de galtaí. So you might have those programs available in your school. Seo listed in the hábhar éagsúla atá ar fáil na scoilena. So stop the video now and take the ones that are relevant to your school. Cadí na hábhar atá níon bhagutsa. So this is one that I'm really strong on, because every student that goes into the OR will get asked this question. So this phrase can really help you to get out 7 subjects. And again, it's not easy to list out 7 things. So the way I always tell my students to do it is, well, dar noi, tá na háver, igen tachta an yen of a gum, bear la Scoil agus mathe, agus an sin raunig me, and then put in your 4 choice subjects that you picked at the start of 5th year. Cad an tábhar is fearr leatsa, céan fá. Now, always have a reason as to why you like it, so have something prepared here. Is fearlum, is A nu is E, so be careful on whether or not the subject that you're saying is masculine or feminine, and that will come into play here. So is E chemic, for example, an tábhar is fearlum, or is A aimadóracht, an tábhar is fearlum. So just check the inchgana of the subject before you say that, before you prepare that phrase. Cad an tábhar is fearr leat, and then there's more reasons there as to why you like the subject. So they're all relating to the moon tour and sin. And then these are other reasons: you find it handy, you find you're good at the subject, it's a life skill, for example. Okay, I will aim over nach marat agus cén fá. Now, what I always say to my students, it's not a confessional box that you're inside in, so don't start complaining about this one time when you got a really bad grade off a teacher. We don't care. Okay, it's if you're struggling in it, that's fine. If you you might find it boring, that's okay. Or you're finding it challenging, fail or so there's a couple of adjectives there. Yanan Kershias or shin. Mar hampla beidir leis an mata. You could say it on course on a lahan comma on a ada. That's all true with mata, or star or kibe rodella a hasino ishin raw. And we'll aim over nach malatsa agus cén fá. Again, there's fána ella luata and shin. Is curra muama a mohuram nil make mach gan over shin. Ni mahlam an munter ta munter an darira royin or concrach. In some we ocean in the Scoile. So tell me about the facilities in the school. So again, a couple of those phrases might be useful. Agus tu ig lauert mariaul an gesht shin. And then seo áisne atá ag an Scoil laswe. Okay, so Hallasport links nova cuairteanna kisfile ledóg parkana immerthe. Agus sin deire leis, so tásúla gom greibh sé sin cabhrach anmh agus rís sé seo fhíseán a héan as a dó gawan leis an Scoil.